Myself, Sonal Sanjay Gavi. I have created Uber trip analysis dashboard as my Excel project. So in this, I have taken the raw data from Kaggle website, and now we will see the dashboard. So at the top of the dashboard, I have added key metrics such as total bookings, total revenue, average booking value, average ride distance in kilometer, and average customer rating, which helps to see the overall performance and customer satisfaction. Then at the left, I have added a bar chart in top ride categories. Here we can see auto has the top bookings, but as we can see the revenue per vehicle, auto also has the revenue higher generation. Then next, monthly booking trend. Here we can see the monthly booking trend in line graph. So I have also added here slicers of months and vehicle type, so you can select the month accordingly, and vehicle type to see how in which month which vehicle was getting more bookings, like that. Next, ride completion overview. In this we can see 62% completed rides, 24%, 25% cancelled, and then 30% were incomplete. I have also added cancellation by customers. So here we can see like what were the reasons for cancelling. As we can see, change of plans is the highest reasons of cancelling the rides. When we see the revenue by payment method, UPI has the UPI has the most revenue generated. Also, I have added top pickup location and drop location, so we can understand like which locations have higher booking, so we can manage our riders like that. Next, peak booking hours. We can see evening and morning are the peak booking hours, and so we can arrange our riders accordingly. So totally, I have generated this dashboard to analyze the like total overall performance and give the customer satisfaction. So in this, I have concluded that if we add more drivers at the time of the peak hours, it will be really beneficial for us. And thank you.